Now see this question in which a linear network is given. This is voltage V1 and this is voltage V2. If voltage V1 is equals to 2 volts and V2 is equals to 0, then we get current and any branch is equals to 0.5 ampere. Okay. And when voltage V1 is equals to 0 and V2 is equals to 5 volt, then we get current in any branch that is equals to 1 ampere. Okay. So now we have to find the current in the same branch if V1 is equals to 10 volt and V2 is equals to minus 5 volt. Here to solve this question we have to apply the concept of homogeneity. As per homogeneity, in any linear network, if source is multiplied by factor k, the response in any branch also get multiplied by factor k. So here by homogeneity we can write, suppose this is V1, this is V2 and this is I. Okay. Now initially this V is equals to 2, this is 0 and this is 0.5. Okay, if we multiply this by factor k is equals to 5, then we get V1 is equals to 10 volt, V2 is equals to 0, and what is I? I is equals to 2.5. Okay, now in second case it is given that 0, 5 and 1 ampere. Okay, now take this one. Okay, so if we multiply this by factor minus 1, okay, in that case current in each branch will also get multiplied by minus 1. So here it will become 0 minus 1 into 5, that is equals to minus 5, and current will become minus 1 ampere. So this is by principle of homogeneity. Okay, now we will apply the principle of superposition. By superposition, see here, if V1 is applied, then current was 2.5 ampere because this V2 is equals to 0. Okay, and when V1 is 0 and only V2 is applied, then current was minus 1. If these both sources are applied simultaneously, then current will be equals to sum of these two currents. This is principle of superposition. So we can simply write it as we add these two. Okay, so when V1 is equals to 10 volt and V2 is equals to minus 5 volt, it means both these voltage sources V1 and V2 we are applying now simultaneously. So the resultant current I in branch will add up. Okay, so it will be equals to minus 1 plus 2.5, that is equals to 1.5 ampere. So this is the answer. Now see this question. In this network is given. Okay, and this network is resistive. Resistive network means this network is linear. This is 5 volt voltage source and current here is 4 ampere and here current is 2 ampere. Now if network will remain same, that is equals to this network, and if this source voltage becomes 10 volt and this branch has voltage source 10 volt, then in that case we have to find this current IX. Okay, these two networks are same. Okay, only the voltage in these two branches are changed, then in that case we have to find this value of IX. See, to solve this problem we have to use the concept of multiple network theorems. Okay, so first we will apply the principle of homogeneity. Okay, As per principle of homogeneity, if any source voltage or current source in any branch is multiplied by factor k, then response in each branch will also get multiplied by that factor. Suppose if this 5 volt is multiplied by factor k, that is equals to 2, then this network will become 10 volt. Okay, if we multiply 5 volt by 2, then it will become 10 volt. Then current in all the branches will also get multiplied by 2. So here current will become 8 ampere, and here the current will become 4 ampere. Okay, now we will apply the concept of reciprocity. So as per concept of reciprocity, these voltage we will interchange this. Okay, so it will say that if this 10 volt is applied here, okay, and this is 8 ampere, then current in this branch will become 4 ampere. Okay, so that is the simple concept of reciprocity theorem. Now we have to apply the concept of superposition theorem. Okay, as per superposition theorem, suppose if we apply 10 volt here and short circuit this branch, then suppose current is 8 ampere, and if we apply 10 volt source here and short circuit this branch, then current is 4 ampere here. And if we apply both the voltage sources of 10 volts simultaneously, then what will be the current in this branch? Okay, that will be equals to sum of this. So we will apply superposition theorem here. Okay, here see, here we have applied homogeneity, and here we have applied what? Reciprocity. Now we will apply superposition theorem. So when we apply superposition theorem, then we get 10 volt here, 10 volt here, and what will be current IX? It will be equals to 8. This 8 ampere is in this direction, and this 4 ampere is in this direction. Then we get finally 4 ampere current in this direction. So IX is simply equals to 8 minus 4, that is equals to 4 ampere. So this 4 ampere is the answer. If you got the knowledge and concepts from this video, then please like the video and subscribe the channel. You can give your views and ask any questions related to this topic in comment box. Also share this video with your friends because sharing is caring. Don't forget to press the bell icon to get the notification of my upcoming videos. Thank you.